Good morning. It is a great day. We're gonna walk through some skincare and chit chat at the same time, which is sometimes difficult to do, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna start with some Epicutis oil cleanser. I love this stuff. It's like a micellar oil almost, and you can use it alone or you can use it with the enzyme powder that comes with it. So then it turns into almost like an exfoliation powder. Also love it to gua sha. So I've already ice rolled, but if I wanted to gua sha, you could just rub this on and then do a little sculpting, get a little depuffing. As Lauren Bostic says, you should prep your skin, and that's a great way to prep it and to really suck it all in. We are loving the feedback on the podcast. So if you've been enjoying it, let me know in the comments. So fun to record with Megan, and we've gotten some great feedback. So if there's an episode or topic that you really want to talk about, then let us know, because ultimately we want to be doing this for you. So if you really want to know more about vitamin C or really want to know about lip filler, then tell us what you want to know. Okay, that's the most awkward part. Wait, there we go. I'm a Skin Club towel lover. I know I would probably get a lot of hate for wasting, and some people don't think it's worth it, but I really do. So I really am able to limit breakouts by using these, and I feel like they're multi-purpose. So I dry my face with it, I dry my bathroom sink with it, I'll use it for my beauty blender when I'm getting ready. So they're certainly like multi-purpose. So I think they're worth it. And then we're gonna use this Hydrinity Hyacinth spray, which I don't go a day without. I kind of keep it in multiple different areas in my bathroom, in my tennis bag, to all my tennis lovers out there. I started playing last year and it's been so fun. I really wanted to find something that was a little athletic for my 30s, but not like too extreme. I didn't want to go play like kickball, but I've really enjoyed playing tennis. And I play on a league, typically on Monday nights. And then I have a coach that I use a couple times a week. So it's been a fun hobby. This was the Hydrating Mist by Color Science. I like it for a little extra hydration, and I feel like it preps my skin for plated. I love the serum. It's an exosome serum. It's the only FDA shelf life approved topical exosome on the market. This company is fantastic. It's super rooted in science, came all out of Mayo Clinic, but helps to diminish redness, brown spots, fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps to plump up the skin, old scars. Also helps to improve collagen production by like 80%. So this is like a must. This is like the one product that I can get my husband to use consistently. And he actually has really good skin, but he uses this, and that's like his one skincare product a day. And then I try to get him to put on sunscreen. If you know, it's a challenge. I just let that dry for a few seconds. They say you should let it dry for 5 minutes, but I don't really do that. And then this is a fun product. It's Redo. It's a snail mucin product, which is just super hydrating. The creator of this put it in this cute dropper bottle, and it's like dosed out basically. So you just like drop it on your face, and it's supposed to be like whatever's in this cute little tiny chamber is like the perfect dose that you need. I just use it for some hydration, and then it does have a little extract in there to help with fine lines. So I typically am only getting Botox done about every 6 months. So I'll take any help that I can get for smoothing out lines in between treatment. I just did my Botox treatment about 3 weeks ago. So she's working and moving and grooving. I actually tried a new product. It's not new. I tried Xeomin this time just to see how long it'll last. I typically tell my patients that Xeomin doesn't last as long, but it is a lighter kind of feel. It's great for patients who have never had neurotoxin before. It's great if you have like autoimmune or inflammatory conditions, because it doesn't have as many proteins on it. But traditionally, I have seen that it just doesn't last that 4 to 6 months that I get with some of the other brands. So we're gonna see. We gave it a really good try. I did the same dose that I would do with any other brand, and we're gonna kind of see and test the longevity of it. I've also been doing a lot of full faces, and we've been doing that for forever, but recently, like anyone mid to late 30s and beyond is getting kind of a full dose and full face of neurotoxin. And as you do more patients, you certainly can run into more complications. And so I've had a couple, and I have a theory, but I'm not sure if I should share it yet because it's not proven or anything, but I have a theory about why I'm having some of these complications in the lower face. And patients, complications can be normal, certainly. Let's normalize them. I've had a few happen to myself, and so I totally understand not wanting to sometimes get treatment done again because you're scared and you don't want to look funny, but sometimes you just gotta embrace it and just realize that it wears off. It's not the end of the world. It's a little bit of Botox. Certainly don't want anyone to have a complication, but when they do, trying to normalize it and just treat the problem. So I have all of my patients, typically all of them have my number. They can text me, they can, let me know when they're having an issue, and I try to get them in and seen right away so that we can start trying to remedy the problem. I just put on Alto Advance. That was my vitamin C in the gold bottle. And then this is some Interfuse face and neck with a little bit of peptides. Skincare should certainly not stop here. Should go all the way down. I am guilty of this as well and don't always take my products all the way down. So that's why I use a specific neck product. This is my beauty elixir. I drink this every single morning. Sometimes on the weekends or if I'm traveling, I skip it, but I always do this before coffee. It is Armor Colostrum. I just got a new earring. If you saw my Instagram, I got a new earring. It's like a triangle stack. So your first hole is here, your second hole is here, and then this one is in between. I'll put a picture up of it, but I'm obsessed with it. So cute. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying. We digress. We're gonna keep moving along. I am now gonna use, this is Pavas. It is sunscreen, treatment, and moisturizer all in one. She's pricey, but I honestly think it's worth it. This is 8 hours of really good protection, which is crazy. It's got 15% zinc oxide, and you can see it rubs in completely clear. I had a patient ask me the other day how to get glass skin. Like literally, she was so cute. She was in her 60s and asked me, how do you get glass skin like that? And truly, I think it is A, consistency, but B, a lot of exfoliation and then hydration. So I exfoliate at least 3 times a week, and you can see from my regimen, I do a lot of just like hydrating ingredients. My really like 2 active ingredients or 3 active ingredients were these 3 this morning. So plated, vitamin C is active, and then this is a true like treatment and SPF. I don't know why that won't focus. So these 3 are kind of my actives. Everything else is super hydrating. So, but yeah, so we're having fun. I like to just chit chat, catch up. I'm certainly happy to answer any questions that you have. I love to talk about skincare. It really just brings me so much joy and so much happiness. You could totally I've got to do my hair and get to work, but you could totally be done for the day and just say, here we are, skin looks good, and you could rock on. I'm gonna put on just a little bit of SPF and makeup, and then we're gonna hit the road. So have a good day.